Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System and Update and select Reset Tablet. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, so if you see anything in this list that you'd like to preserve, maybe things like music, photos, or some user data, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done so or you just don't want to, you can select Reset Tablet, and if I remember correctly, we do have the backup option on here, on this page, but I do want to point this out. The backup that you'll create right here will be straight to Huawei itself, so Huawei Cloud, and if you're backing it up and you want to restore it on like some other device, new tablet or phone maybe, and that new device is not a Huawei, you won't be able to utilize the restore option from this backup that it would create right here, as this is strictly for Huawei devices and nothing else. So if you want to create a backup for some other device, do it manually to your computer probably, which would be the safest option. Anyway, I don't want to create a backup, so I'm going to select Reset Tablet, and this will now begin effectively resetting the device. Now this process will take probably a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.